activist, author, and Read Across America ambassador. Are you ready to read, write, and get things done? Let's start with the book. How do you feel about firsts? Like the first day of summer vacation, first sleepover, or your first pet, or the very first time you got to do something all on your own? This book, My First Day by Phung, Nguyen, Quang, and Huynh, Lien, is about a big first day for An, a boy who lives in the Mekong River Delta in southern Vietnam. For the very first time, he has to paddle his small wooden boat across the water all by himself. We're not sure where he's going, but there are a lot of interesting clues along the way. The illustrations of An's journey are so big and bold, they stretch all the way off the page and seem to mirror how An's feeling about these firsts he's having today. Even though he's both excited and anxious, An's brave trip is glorious, and it has a happy ending when he reaches a special destination. This book made me think about how I felt on the first day of 5th grade. I was nervous and scared and excited. Think about your first day at school. How did you get to school? What happened? How did you feel about it? Writing about your first day of school is something great you can do to record in your diary or journal. Or maybe you want to use your imagination to write and think about what happened after An reaches his destination. Or maybe the illustrations of the Mekong River Valley inspire you to write a poem. Writing for yourself doesn't have to be fancy or formal or hard. Give it a try. I know sometimes I feel a little nervous when I have to do something new. In the book, I love that An found his journey all on his own and found a way to be brave and joyful about the new experiences that were ahead of him. But it did get me thinking about how reaching out in a kind way can make a positive difference in someone else's life. What would you say to someone who might be anxious about a first day of school or trying something new? Your kind words could help. Did this book spark a new interest in you or make you wonder about something else? I bet you guys all have great ideas, so put them into action. I hope you will pick up this Read Across America recommended book and are inspired to read, write, and get things done.